morning to all. In my previous class, I already discussed about the different types of solids and what are the basic solids we have to study in each I already discussed. Today, our ECE students they can explain the case study on how the square or other types of pyramids are used in the architectural design. So, which is the one case study chosen by our ECE students. They can do the case study explanation of the square pyramid as well as the applications and how they have to incorporate the DT and all they can explain.
Good morning everyone, I am Agustin. Today we are going to present how the design thinking process can be applied to the architectural design through a simple model we made, and our friend diagram here will present the empathize stage of the design thinking. First, empathize stage. Architects and engineers need stability, safety, and efficiency in model buildings. Problems: wind load, seismic risk, material use, and visual identity. Understand users' needs. Stability, safety, and efficiency. In different stage, how may we design a structure that is stable under forces? Material efficiency and architecturally economics. Key constraints: wind and seismic loads, safe and efficient.
Hi, I am Raghav. I am going to explain about the ideal prototype and the testing part. In the ideal part, we explored various forms and shapes like cubes, cylinders, and cones. But the pyramid, especially the square pyramid, stood out because of its unique strength and symmetric angles. The pyramid has it has a strong base, so it provides a very strong structure, and its thin top layer reduces the bearing pressure. And in our real time examples, many buildings uses the pyramid structures in their buildings, such as the Transamerica building in California. It is very famous for its earthquake resistance. Moving to the ideal part, we build a prototype. Using cardboard. It shows how the 3D structure of the pyramid, and it also shows how the 2D projections using engineering graphics. By this observation, we should know that pyramid is a very strong structure, and it is used to build many buildings.
Okay, our friend, both of them are explained well of the design thinking part. Now we see the collection of a square pyramid, and here is the model we made. It's just a simple compact model, and here is the 3D representation of the model. And here the square pyramid is base ABCD is equal to 40 mm, and the apex is for 50 mm above the center O. Based on HP, I mean horizontal plane, and one edge AB parallel to vertical plane. And here is the front view part and elevation. Here is the content. I think I can screen. Project the baseline ABCD horizontally. Mark the apex point B 50 mm above the base. Join B to all bases corner. Here we connect all the corners to the bases. This gives the triangle shape, showing the true height. This shows the true height of the triangle face. Okay, and then this is the front view. Yes, and then next here is the top view plan. And draw the square base directly below the front view. Mark diagonals, find center O. Connect O to connect ABC corners ABCD. Line from apex B from projected top. Here they say we need to connect all these corners A, B, C, D to the top apex B. Then we have finally have the top view. This shows how the pyramid looks from above. Above, I mean the top view, square diagonals. Top view, here's the top view of the representation. And show true shape of the base. Okay, and then three dimensions. Here the base is A, we mentioned, and is 40 mm, and axis H 50 mm, and apex V, which is above the center, and base plane is the model is on the horizontal plane, which is just resting. So we baseline HT is resting, and the reference edge AB is parallel to VP, vertical plane. Where is the real and life condition means the projection of a pyramid helps architects and engineers visualize the real structures like lower pyramid, the Luxor, and Memphis, the shared in technologies, drawings, in real life. This is the shaft pyramid, and here are the other few pyramids, and this is the Lobio pyramid, and this is the Memphis, and also there are other pyramids in modern buildings. Okay. Now I will explain furthermore top view and front view of our compact model. This is the front view. Sorry, this is the front view. We can see a triangle. This is only the front view A, B, and the CD is behind it, and the top apex is B. And then now we see the top view. Now we can only see a square. The top view, in the topmost we have the V, and all the edges can be, corners can be seen there. A, B, C, D. This is the top view and front view of the 5 pyramid. Yes, that's all.
Thank you.